Are you a beginner bass player looking for a simple bass group to play any of your praise? Okay, then this lesson is for you. In this lesson, I'm going to share a simple tricks you can use to create your bass groove. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced bass player, believe me, there is one thing you can pick from this lesson. So if that sounds interesting to you, then stick with me to the end of this video in order not to miss any of these tricks. Okay, so pick up your bass guitar, let's get started. For the purpose of this lesson, we'll be using key D. In order to produce this bass groove, ghost note sound, use your index and middle finger to strike towards the end of your bridge. You do that while your left hand mutes your strings. So let's look at the notes. So do la la, mi so do la la, re re, so do re mo mi la, re re, so do mi so do la la. So make sure you try this across all your 12 keys to become familiar with your boards. And if you find this lesson helpful and interested, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to also check out this lesson